So we're testing a new experiment. It's a spinning snake which uses the power of convection and hot air. So what we did was we filled a cup with sand, stuck a barbecue stick or a bamboo stick through it, so it's sticking straight up, and then we put a votive candle behind this thing that's spinning. This is our snake. It's actually an aluminum foil that's been cut into a spiral. Spiral has to be a little bit shorter than the barbecue stick there, the bamboo stick in the middle. We folded it on top over here, and after lighting up the candle, it's starting to push hot air, and it's making our snake spin around. See, and that uses convection. So it's a simple experiment you can try at home. Snake. We folded it over the top of the stick all the way down. It's spinning around. Here is our candle on this side, and it's standing on a little glass. You could use a bowl, a small bowl or glass, fill it up with sand or salt or soil or anything that would make your stick stand up straight and would still have space for your candle. So there we go, spinning round and round, being pushed by hot air.